Hi, I'm Lauren Edmonds. I'm the founder and owner of a school that supports children with learning delays. I'm hoping this space gives you something to think about.
I want to talk about how children follow our lead. In fact, how all humans follow lead. The idea comes from when I used to do corporate facilitation. There was a principle that we understood, that the delegates in the room would always have 20% less energy than we had as the facilitators. Now, I've expanded that beyond just the corporate training environments into the teaching realm, and not just that, but into parenting as well. If we want children to be 80% compliant, we have to be 100% compliant. If we want them to be 70% regulated, we need to be 90% regulated, if not 100%. But actually, I like the 20% rule. We always need to be 2 degrees, 20% more than what we are expecting from a child. They can't be more regulated than we are. They can't be focusing more than we focus. They take our lead, and they need to follow us. So this works with how we speak to children. It works with how structured and organized we are. If we want children to learn organizational skills, we need to be 20% more organized than we want or expect them to be. We can't be less organized. I love this idea, because it sets for us an accountability not to be perfect, but to always be a little bit ahead, so that we get children to look up to a role model, to look into what is possible. This is not to say 20% better. I think this is very clear that a point I need to make very clearly, is this is not about being 20% better than your child. It's about whatever you want, whatever you're teaching, whatever you expect, whatever you'd like for your child, you need to model it, and you need to model it just a little bit better. Not perfect, not 100%, just a little bit better.